the scenery of life you have witnessed so far still has more to unfold. You haven't yet found the answer you seek, but you know that cherishing yourself is a path of light. On this journey, there are times you might want to give up, but don't give up on moving forward. You may not coddle yourself, but you do cherish yourself, and so you simply keep going. Do you know why there is light in the darkness of the cosmos? It is because it mirrors the heart. Even when the road is hard, the light within your heart continues to shine upon you. There is no need to fear the darkness. You haven't yet found the answer you seek, but you know that cherishing yourself is a path of light. On this journey, there are times you might want to give up, but don't give up on moving forward. There are those who pat you on the shoulder, reminding you that such moments are part of life. There are those who look at you with a piercing gaze, and those who speak to you with a smile. What do you find in the earth's sunset? Does it mean you must steel yourself because the night is coming? No, the night is for letting go of tension, and the morning that follows will gently hold you in its embrace. There is no need to fear the darkness. You haven't yet found the answer you seek, but you know that cherishing yourself is a path